English topic when the moon was punished. So why moon was punished? Who punished moon there, children? You can just open the textbook page number 35. You can see the photo here. You can see the colorful picture here of Ganesha here. So what is the story? Let us read here, children. So before that, you all celebrate the Ganesha festival, isn't it? So your mother will prepare variety of sweets, you will wear colorful dresses and you will enjoy the festival, isn't it? So but what happened? Why did Ganesha punish moon? We'll read the lesson here. So turn to page number 35. You can just follow the lines where I am reading, children. So this is an Indian mythology, interesting story that tells about why moon does not show its face every night. So what is the reason why it happened like that? So let us see what why the Ganesha punished moon there. We'll see, children. Long ago, when the gods walked freely on the earth, it was Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay. Long ago, when the gods walked freely on the earth, it was Ganesh Chaturthi, the birthday of Lord Ganesha. Okay, it was the birthday of Lord Ganesha. So long ago, when the gods walked freely on the earth. Okay, so it was birthday of Lord Ganesha, and then Ganesha, what he did, he visited all his devotees riding on his vehicle. So which is the vehicle there for Ganesha? That is Mushika. You can see here. So he was traveling on his vehicle, that is the Mushika. So Ganesha's devotees welcomed him. So how does the devotees welcome him? They welcomed him by offering different kinds of sweets. Okay, Ganesha's devotees welcomed him and offered him different sweets. Each sweet was more delicious. Each sweet was more delicious than the other. Ganesha enjoyed his favorite modaks most of all. So which is the favorite sweet for Ganesha, children? That is modaks. So and then Ganesha enjoyed eating this delicious modaks. So which is the favorite dish for the Ganesha there, his favorite sweet there. And then he enjoyed there. You can see in the picture here. You can see the moonlights. So I'll take the rest of the modaks home. Let's go. And then Ganesha will tell, I'll take rest of the modaks along with me. Let's go. He will tell to the Mushika there. Then what happened? Thus the evening came. But Ganesha continued to accept the offerings. But Ganesha, so what happened? That evening came, he was just visiting all his devotees and he was accepting the dishes, whatever they made. He was accepting those whatever the devotees made, the sweets and all. The whole day it went on like that only. So that evening what happened? But Ganesha continued to accept the offerings. He continued to accept the offerings. The moon shone brightly that night. You can see here. The moon shone brightly that night. At last, Ganesha was ready to leave. Okay. At last, what happened? So that night, the moon shone brightly and Ganesha was ready to leave there. Then what happened? Turn to page number 36. You can see here. Mushika was finding it difficult to carry Ganesha. Why it was finding difficult? Because Ganesha had eaten so many sweets there and he had become very heavy there. Okay. Mushika was finding it difficult to carry Ganesha who had become heavier after eating so many sweets. So Mushika was not able to carry Ganesha there because he had eaten too many sweets, and because of that it was finding it difficult to carry him. Then what happened? The sacred Mushika ran for, so here you can see. So there was a snake in his way. So what happened? So Mushika was finding it difficult to carry the Ganesha. Then what happened? Suddenly Mushika stopped. Why he stopped? Because there was a snake in the way. So what happened? So Mushika, he ran. You can see here. So leaving Ganesha behind there, he made Ganesha to fall there. Then who was watching this one? So the moon was watching and he started laughing. Ha ha ha. You can see here. You look so funny, Ganesha. And then the moon will utter these words. He will say, you look so funny. And then just wait, Chandra. I won't leave you. You will have to pay for this. Then Ganesha will tell, just wait, Chandra. I won't leave you. You will have to pay for this. The scared Mushika ran for his life. What happened? Mushika was afraid because he made Ganesha to fall there now. So he ran away for his life. And then toppling Ganesha there. Toppling means what? To become unsteady and fall down. So he was not able to carry Ganesha as he had become heavier there, and he was also afraid. And then what happened there? Chandra, the moon, was watching all this. He burst into laughter. This angered the elephant god. So the moon was watching all this, and the scared Mushika ran for his life when he saw the snake on the way there. And what happened? Then Chandra, seeing all this, he laughed and he made fun of Ganesha there, and he burst into laughter there. Okay, this angered the elephant god. Then Ganesha will get angry on moon, and he will tell, "I will not leave you. Just wait there, Chandra." He will tell. Then what happened here? Come out, Chandra. I will punish you for laughing at me. Then what happened? Chandra went inside the room and he was hiding there. So the Ganesha is calling him out. Come on, come outside. I am waiting for you. I will punish you because you laughed at me. No, I will punish you. Ganesha will call him. Realizing he was in trouble, Chandra ran for his life. Ganesha followed him to his house. Okay. So realizing because what mistake he had done, the moon was knowing that one. So what he did, he hid in his house. So then what happened? Even Ganesha followed him to his house there. Chandra hid in his house, scared to come out. The elephant god sat in front of the house watching for Chandra. I can see here. So the Ganesha is waiting to punish moon there. But where the moon is hiding inside his house there. So Ganesha is waiting in front of the Chandra's house. Many days and nights passed. Many days and nights passed. Okay, children. So let me end my class here. So let's see what happens when Chandra comes out of his house. So what happens, whether he will be spared or what punishment Ganesha is going to give. Let us continue in the next class, children. Okay. See you in the next class. Thank you, children.